Falling from ladders are a common cause of injuries. Falling from a ladder can cause serious injuries, like broken bones, back injuries, and can be fatal. Many falls from ladders happen by selecting the wrong type of ladder, using damaged ladders, and incorrectly setting up the ladder. Here are some quick tips on how to avoid injuries when using ladders. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using ladders. Identify the type of work that will be completed and check for any hazards, like slippery ground, electrical lines, doorways, holes, or bad weather. Select the right type and size of ladder for the job. Check load capacity and don't use metal ladders where contact with electrical lines exists. Inspect the ladder to verify it's in good condition. All rungs, side rails, and components are free from any damage. Ladder setup. Place the ladder near your workspace to avoid overreaching. Set up ladders in safe and stable conditions. Don't place ladders on uneven ground or slippery surfaces. Ensure ladders are supported correctly. Never place metal ladders close to overhead power lines. That could be shocking. Restrict access. When working near people or vehicles, restrict access by closing off the area with cones or other types of barriers, posting signs, or have an assistant at the base of the ladder to keep it clear. Ladder positioning. Make sure non-self-supporting ladders extend at least 3 feet above the highest support point. Ensure both rails of non-self-supporting ladders are supported. Set non-self-supporting at a 4:1 ratio. This means for every 4 feet vertical, the ladder is placed 1 foot from the supporting structure. Secure ladders at the top and at the base. Get help if the ladder is too heavy to set up on your own. Remember, always use ladders correctly to avoid any accidents.